Kahapon sa Behind the Clash, binalikan natin ang naging salpukan ng mga miyembro ng Next Gen Power. Matagumpay na nakabalik si Martin sa top of the Clash. Sa ikalawang tapatan, si Kay ang namayani at nakaupo muli sa kanyang pwesto. Si Beza naman ang makakalaban ni Donald sa isang matirang matibay round. Ngayong hapon, muli nating balikan ang nangyari sa kauna-unahang matirang matibay this season. Sabay-sabay nating tutukan yan dito sa Behind the Clash.
Di ko alam ang nararamdaman ko ngayon. I just can't wait. I'm so excited. I wonder how they're going to play out this round.
I was thinking, what if i-challenge ko yung sarili ko po? So, pinili ko po talaga yung pinakamagaling, si Donald po talaga. I was so nervous kasi ang galing po talaga ni Donald eh. And like, he's a very versatile singer. He has a very, very high range.
Kasi alam ko na magagaling sila, na kayang-kaya nila yan. And so far, kami pa lang ni Martin ngayon, ang nasa top of the Clash, representing Next Gen Power. And currently, matibay na ni Donald and Beza. Kung ano mang mangyari, buo pa rin ng Next Gen Power in my heart.
Ito ang matirang matibay, Donald versus Beza. Let the teen clash begin!
Pakiramdam ko po, ayun, very nervous po kasi yung Next Gen Power po talaga is malalakas po. Puno po palagi ito ng mga paldo na mga singers po, lalo na po si Beza. No matter the result po ng aming laban, good luck na lang po sa lahat. And ayun po, pakiramdam ko po na, I don't know, I think may laban pa po ako pero I would still try my best to fight po. It was nerve-wracking at first, yes, pero when it was my time to perform, I did my best and all the nerves nawala na po.
Alam ko naman na yung Clash Teens, puno-puno ng twists, pero this one was beyond my imagination talaga. Sabi ko, wait lang guys, feeling ko tayo pa rin yung magkakalaban. I don't know how, pero it happened, so...
Judges between Beza and Donald. Sino ang pasok sa next round?
Ang makakabalik sa top of the Clash ay si Beza.
Beza! Congratulations! Donald, maraming salamat sa'yo. Thank you so much for sharing your heart. It's okay. Minsan sa buhay natin, may mga rejections talaga. Hindi natin talaga maiiwasan yon. Yung mga rejections, it can also mean redirection. Ipagpatuloy mo lang katulad nga sinabi ng ating Clash panel. And pagbalik mo, you're like 110% stronger. We believe in you, we believe in your talent, and wag na susukot, hindi pa dito nagtatapos ang journey mo as an artist. Alright, palakpakan naman po natin Clash Nation, Donald!
Give it up for Donald!
Right now po, I am overflowing po with gratitude po for the Clash teams, for GMA, everyone who has been there for me. I'm so grateful po. Right now, I am crying because I'm gonna miss all of you po. What do I feel for the Next Gen Power po? Well, it may be a competition after all, but my perspective po for the Next Gen Power is yung family ko po kayo from the very beginning. From the top 24 po, si Kuya Bien, si Irish, si Ate Sol, si Ate Bev, and sa mga natitira po like si Ate Beza and Martin. Sobrang grateful po ako sa inyo lahat. Palagi ko po kayong maaalala sa Next Gen Power. And always stay strong po.
I am very sad that Donald had to leave.
Sobrang bait po ito.
Yeah.
He was one of our teammates na alam mo yung presence niya was enough to make, just to see if they're, hindi niya na kailangang mag-ingay pa, oh, you're so good, Ate Kay. Sobrang humble ni Donald. The amount of encouragement that he gives us is immense. At the same time, I feel bad din Like, if you look at it in his position nung time na pilihan, the fact na we chose him to leave, but then he wasn't chosen to stay. Yeah, I felt bad for him. I wanted so brown, so I just wanted to, like, I stayed there by his side.
So these past few weeks po, even emotional roller coaster po ito, na kahit ako po yung major vote po ng Next Gen Power na matanggap. Tapos hindi pa po napili ng Soundwave Squad.
Si Donald, voice niya, parang maganda din.
His voice is very mature for his age.
Yeah.
Donald is like the youngest out of all of us.
Really?
Yes!
Yung pinaka may lowest voice sa amin. Talagang unexpected talaga.
I feel like mas fit si Donald sa other, in the guidance of his other team. Kasi he's
Nag-agree
comfortable
ako.
there.
Okay lang po because I understand the Soundwave Squad and especially the Next Gen Power. Understand ko po kayong lahat because sobrang special niyo po talaga sa akin. Sobrang special niyo po. Grateful po ako na naging clashers po tayo dito and to experience this one of a kind event po.
We all have the same dream kasi of reaching this top, ganun. Nakatop ka siya.
That's something that he should be proud of. And I am sure that he knows how much we support him as well.
Grabe yung batang yan. 14 ba? Pero so, malayo pang mararating yan. Especially with his, yung galing yung super blind, he's gonna go play. So,
It's gonna be okay. It's just hard today. I lost also, by the way. Did you know? I never won a contest. Ever. Pero it's what you do after also. Pero, take it easy. Congrats sa inyo. Okay,
Even if it's hard to be positive, remember the theme song po ng The Clash is that lumaban ka. Sige, laban ta. We are enough, that we are loved. I just want you to remember na sige, laban ta.
We're supposed to feel good that we're going to be on top of the class pero now, parang I feel so bad for what's happening.
maybe because parang nagbubuo talaga tayo ng friendship.
Yeah.
And honestly, ang bigat na ng pinagdaanan natin ng Next Gen Val. Alam mo, ever since from the start pa, tapos dumagdag pa yung nangyari mo yung botohanin, sinong tatanggamin sa lupo natin, tapos yung tayo pala yung kakalan. Ano mo, dami nating pinagdaanan na
So emotional kasi ang hirap pagpili eh.
Oh.
Kung sino matatanggal, hirap talaga.
Simula pa lang to ng round 2 pa lang to, Beza, Martin.
Ang dami ko na pinagdaanan sa round.
The reality is talagang kailangan nating lumaban.
Yeah.
Alam mo yung feeling na namutla ka? Parang hindi ako yung baka niladnat ka ng in a sense. Ako parang namutla ko. Kasi parang, okay, wala na yung isasagot natin. Lumipat na sa ibang group. Tapos biglang may matira matibay para. Tapos tayo pa kakampi. Tapos tayo naglaban. Tapos nila ni Donna din naglaban. Parang ang dami.
Napansin ko nung sinabi na binanggit na yung pangalan natin. Pinakauna, takang tayo maglalaban. Alam ko tumahimik tayong dalawa. So, di mo na ako tumigit sa'yo.
Ako din.
Kasi yung heart ko nag-sink siya eh.
I know how much we support each other. Superman.
A lot happened. I don't know if I think my performance was like quite slightly different from my first one because like maybe because nanggigil ako. Not nanggigil, like I was like really pressured na magagaling mga kalaban ko. So like the giggle was there. I don't even know how to react.
Ang daming nangyari.
Oh my God. Mahirap kasi.
Namutla ako sobra. Hindi ko talaga naisip na ganun. Really expect the unexpected. Like, hindi ko talaga alam kung paano ko haharapin ng lahat ng to kasi sobrang lala talaga.
Ang hirap naman kasi na wala kang pipiliin. Na ano, ang hirap kasi pumili din.
I admit, cause like, sa unang performance ko, medyo medyo chill. This one's not chill. It's not chill. Pero ayun, I thank God na nairaos. Pero oh my God.
Buti naman. Makahingan na kahit onte. Pero hindi madali, super.
Really? Kahit ka-teammate mo, hindi talaga secured na kayo yung magkakambing. Hindi talaga. It's scary me.
Kung ano mang mangyari na lang siguro sa susunod na round, ibigay ko na lang lahat. Kakampi man or kalaban, kailangan ko na lang siguro paglaban yung mismong piyesang kakantahin ko.
It's such an amazing and, at the same time, nerve-wracking experience talaga.
Kung ano man yung nangyari kanina, maybe it happened for a reason.
Anyway, it's our best. Kaya natin to, Yel. Kaya natin to, Beza. Kaya natin to.
Matapos ang intense clashes ng Next Gen Power, pasok na sa next round sina Martin Miguel, Kay Gamunada, at Beza Trestiza. At ang susunod na grupo na maglalaban-laban ay yan ang Soundwave Squad. Sino ang mga makakabalik sa Top of the Clash? Yan ang dapat nyo tutukan this Sunday, 7:15 p.m. Samahan muli sina John Madaliday at Arabel de la Cruz sa The Clash Interactive, streaming sa Kapuso Stream at sa The Clash Teens YouTube and Facebook pages. For more updates, siguraduhin nakafollow kayo sa lahat ng social media accounts ng The Clash Teens. This is your Clash Master, Julian San Jose, and this is Behind the Clash.